Year's World Cup in Qatar. In the last few minutes, FIFA have confirmed that they are going to be using new semi-automated offside technology in the tournament.
Amazing. This means specialist cameras will track each player using data to spot potential offsides automatically, providing support to officials with the aim of quicker and more accurate decisions.
Yeah, this technology actually was used at the Club World Cup and Arab Cup and follows the first World Cup to use VAR 4 years ago. Here's FIFA's video to explain all about the new technology.
A sensor in the center of the ball sends inertial data 500 times per second, allowing a more precise detection of the kick point compared to conventional broadcasts and optical tracking, which are limited to 50 frames per second. In addition, 12 dedicated tracking cameras mounted underneath the roof of each stadium track the ball and 29 points on the body of each individual player 50 times per second, calculating their exact position on the pitch. The 29 points include all limbs and extremities that are relevant for offside calls, allowing the team in the video operation room to know the exact position of a player at any given moment. All player and ball data is processed in real time by artificial intelligence, which triggers alerts in the video operation room when an offside position is detected. The system constantly tracks and alerts once the ball is received by a player who is in an offside position when the ball was played. The video match officials validate the proposed decision by manually checking the automatically selected kick point and the automatically created offside line. The offside decision is then communicated to the referee via audio headset. For improved communication to the fans, after the offside decision has been confirmed by the referee, a replay animation is created and shown in the stadium and on TV.
Well, let's recap the key points from the video then. There will be 12 cameras in each stadium tracking 29 data points on each player, including each limb and their extremities as well. Added to that, there's a sensor in the ball, as we saw, used at the tournament, sending data 500 times a second, making it incredibly precise when the ball is kicked. And if the ball is received by an attacker in an offside position, the technology then sends an automated offside alert to the video officials, who then review the footage manually. And the process, which is expected to be quicker than the current VAR setup, is then confirmed by the referee, and a 3D animation created by the technology will be shown on screens in the ground and on TV broadcasts.
Although the implementation of VAR has been very successful, we are aware that there are some aspects that need to be improved, and among them certainly offside. It takes too long to make a final decision on offside incidents, particularly when the incidents are very difficult to be assessed. We decided to develop new technologies to try to limit the time needed and also to be more accurate. Our objective is to prepare the referee as best as possible to avoid to use the technology. But the technology is there to avoid that a mistake is committed. Even the best referee can commit a mistake, he's a human being, we know it.
In average, on a global level, it takes 70 seconds until the decision for an offside incident is made. So that means 70 seconds that the players have to wait on the pitch, the referee have to wait on the pitch, but also the fans
The audience
have to wait. So therefore we said, okay, this is something we want to improve. And so our main objective, our main goal was to make this process faster as well as more accurate, or as accurate as possible.
FIFA President Gianni Infantino said semi-automated offside technology is an evolution of the VAR systems that have been implemented across the world. This technology is the culmination of 3 years of dedicated research and testing to provide the very best for the teams, players and fans who will be heading to Qatar later this year. Well, as we said, the technology, which last year was tested at Manchester City's Etihad Stadium, has been used at the Club World Cup and Arab Cup. Teams who have qualified for the tournament will meet with FIFA next week for clarity on the new system.